Hey. So I'm coming in here live to you because I wanted to hop on it and show you guys a mani tutorial, okay? For some of the new people that are just barely following me, I love to put on these awesome nails. There's so many different kinds, and I thought I'd come in here and do a tutorial, a really quick tutorial before I start cooking dinner. So I'm gonna show you, so these are the ones that I've already done. This is the color. I did a mixed mani, so there's two colors on this one, but you could totally just do a solid. Like you could just do a glitter if you want to. You don't have to do two colors, but you can do multiple colors. There's so many different options, but there's all different colors. Purple, this one's called ultraviolet agate, and there's so many different designs, colors to choose from. There's solids, there's, I mean, look at this one. This one's a pink one. This one's called Show and Shell. This one is this one's called Moscow or Never. It's like a copper color. So, but I'm just gonna do a quick tutorial for you guys. I already did my left hand, I'm gonna do my right hand. I'm just coming in here to show you how to do the nails, okay? For some of the people that have asked me how to do them, okay? So here we go. So I'm doing two colors. I already cut my pieces up. You have to cut them in half whenever you do them. See, I have naked nails over here. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you. So they come in sets. They come in like two sets like this of 16 total. There's 8 and 8 of the same color. And but I'm just gonna use a couple of them. So they come in different sizes and they're all rounded on each end. So they're round on this side and round on this side, so they fit perfectly onto your nail. They are sticky on one side and dry on the other. They last like 1 to 2 weeks, and they come off with regular fingernail polish, okay? So, and they're all different sizes, and I know like this is like my pinky. This is too small, I got fat fingers. This is my pinky right here. This is my thumb. The biggest one is my thumb for sure. So, and this, okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started then. So this is what it comes in. It comes in a package like this. Open it up. There's instructions on the side. Sometimes they're here, sometimes they're here. It gives you a little bit of information. They all come with an alcohol prep pad. You have to use this to clean your nails. And then they also come with a nail file, so you can file them down if you want to, or you can use your thumb as a tool. But you need to use your alcohol prep pad on your fingers before you put your nails down, because it cleans them and makes them really, really clean. More squeaky clean. Okay, but I'm gonna use these two colors. This one is called High Voltage, and this one is called, oh my God, I forgot already. High Voltage and Supercharged. Okay. Here we go. So what I did for my mixed mani for this one right here is I cut them in half. So it was one piece and I laid them on top of each other, and I cut them in half, and then I put them together like this, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna peel off, well, first you gotta peel off there's a clear film on every nail strip. On each one there's a clear film, and you peel it off. And then you have to peel it off, otherwise you won't be able to put it on. And then I cut them. That's whenever I cut them. Peel them off and then cut them. And then cut these in half. And so what I'm gonna do is, I also have another tutorial there's a link in my bio, and in there it talks about, you can go straight to my nail obsession, and there's another link, and it goes to a different tutorial that's basic, simple. This one's a little bit more advanced because I'm using two colors, but I thought I would come in here and do this one since I'm already changing my nails out. Okay, so you peel it off the color. It's sticky on one side, dry on the other. Peel it off and put it on your finger. So I'm gonna just go ahead, I was doing red and purple, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue that. So I'm gonna do red on one side. So look, I put it on one side, and I'm just gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna get the other one, the purple one, and I'm gonna put it on the other side. I'm just gonna try to make them fit as close as possible. You don't have to be perfect. I mean, you can try. And then I'm gonna push them over together on the underside like so, right? So I got them on my nail, and I'm gonna push them and make sure all the air is out of it, and that it's pushed down flat against my nail, but and then to close as I can to the cuticle, but not on the cuticle. So I want to stay on my nail. So I don't know if you can see that. I think you can see that. And then I'm just gonna push it all the way down like that over the edge and underneath. Okay, and you can use your thumb. I'm just gonna use my thumb to perforate it. So I'm gonna just push my thumb underneath it like that, and then I'm just gonna peel it away. It's like, it's super pliable and sticky, and so it just comes off. And that's it. That's one demonstration of one nail. So that, and I just did it kind of sideways, so that, because I thought it was a cool little look to do it sideways. I mean, you could totally just use one color, you know, like I could just use the purple if I wanted to, or I trying to change it up and did a different look to make it, to elevate it a little bit. Okay, so let me go ahead and do the other ones and I'll show you. So the next one is, I think, this one. I think they're all mixed up, but okay, so this is how it goes. I already cut them in half, like I showed you a minute ago. I cut them in half. Oopsie, how does that go? Maybe I have the wrong ones. Oh no, okay, so I cut them in half, and then I'm gonna put them together. Okay, you just kind of match them up like a puzzle piece. Okay, whatever two colors you want, and then you peel it off of the backing. I already peeled off the clear, so that's not an issue. And then you're gonna put it down. Oh, I need to do the other color first. So then you're just gonna put it down on your nail, and it'll stick to it, it'll adhere to it. I have the two pieces right here. I'm just gonna put it down like that on my nail. I would stand up and show you if I could. And then like that, that's one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one the other direction, if I can get this off, and then put that on the other nail. They're super easy, you can't go wrong, super fun. And then so I put that on that side, and then I'm just gonna flip it over as much as I can over to the other side, right? Push it underneath, and I'm gonna get all the air out. I'm gonna get all the air out. And then, so I got all the air out of that, and then I'm just gonna push it down. And you can use the nail file. Another way is to like just go in a downward motion and use the nail file. I like to use my thumb, but it's totally up to you. I mean, it comes with the nail file, so you could do that. I mean, people do different things, and then you just peel it off, and that's it. And it perforates it for you. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. And so you just go ahead and you do all of them, all the way down, all the way down. And but it's really easy, you can't go wrong. And I feel like the glitters are like my favorite ones ever. This one's a famous one, it's called Tokyo Lights. This glitter is beautiful, and it is so pretty in person. Oh my God, I love this color. You can't see it in this lighting, but it is amazing. It's like a rose gold, kind of. And yeah, it's pretty. So if you want to try these, reach out to me. I will send you a link so you can take a look at all the amazing colors that are out. The new fall line is getting ready to launch, which they are beautiful. And but all the ones we have right now are amazing too. There's so many different colors. For instance, I'll show you, this one's a pretty popular one. It's called Oslo and Steady. It's like a green color, a mint green. This one is a yellow one. It's called Belgian Buttercup. This one is an overlay, and you can put polka dots on any one of your nails. Like, it is so cool. So if you want to try these, reach out to me and I'll send you a link, or if you want to try before you buy, I can send you a sample. It's totally up to you. Just get in touch with me and then we can go from there. Okay. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come in here and hop on and show you guys a little bit about how I put these on, because I know a few people were asking me, and so I thought I'd just come in here and chit chat for a minute and show you. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest and on my own. I think you get the idea. I'll post the picture later. I'll post a picture of my stories. And you guys have a good night. Thanks for joining me. Bye.